The manufacturing engineering program at EKU is the first one in the Commonwealth. And the goal is to support the significant manufacturing activities in the region.
I chose manufacturing engineering at EKU because all my life I've known that I've wanted to be an engineer ever since I was a little kid. It's a family business.
I chose EKU because of the great environment and how personal the connections between the professors and the students are.
It's the biggest bang for your buck in the area. I wanted to stay close to home, and this was certainly the closest option, but also the most financially feasible option for us.
Students will work with many of our common manufacturing tools. So we'll have a series of labs that handle metals manufacturing, non-metals manufacturing. 3D printing is important, particularly for things like prototyping and specialty parts that can't be made in any other way.
And one thing that we're learning here at Eastern is how to efficiently manufacture. That's a big staple in the program, but really focusing on the processes and how to manufacture efficiently. And we learn to do it on a small scale that way. When we mature and grow, we can apply that to much larger things.
We have a lean focus, so our engineers will help to develop the manufacturing systems that are going to be used and the automation that's likely to help that manufacturing going forward.
People like me, we need engineers. That's how we grow and that's how we get better at what we do specifically. So I think it's a great thing for the university to have this program, and really is going to provide a lot of opportunity for manufacturing and for automation companies and for the region in general.
This program seems like it offers a lot of opportunities, first of all, for internships and like getting that good job experience, and then also a lot of hands-on work in classes.
About a third of our students are first generation to college. It's a pleasure to watch those students develop and mature and then launch at graduation and get great jobs and make tremendous contributions to their companies and community.